In this tutorial I will show you how I created these creative, attractive, eye-catchy, Japanese-style ice cream poster in Adobe Photoshop. Create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. Then from View select Guides, then New Guide Layout. Copy these settings. Press Ctrl+R to enable ruler. Left-click and drag to add guide and center. From Adjustment Layer select Solid Color. Copy this hex code for background color. Then from File place Ice Cream Scoop PNG image. I have provided image link in description. Resize and place the image accordingly as shown. Double-click on Layer to enable Layer Style. From Layer Style enable Drop Shadow. Copy this hex code for Drop Shadow Color. Copy these overall settings. Add new layer. Place it below image layer. Name it as Shadow. Then select Brush tool. Follow these brush settings. Set the brush accordingly as shown. Brush on base areas to add shadow effect. Keep shadow layer opacity around 50%. Add on some more details if needed. Then select Type tool. Left-click to insert text. Go to Properties. Copy this font style. Copy these overall text settings. Type blueberry text here. Place it accordingly. Hold Alt key, left click and drag to make a text copy. Double click to select the text. Go to Properties. Font style will remain same. Change text size to 105 points. Leftover settings will remain same. Type Delight text here. Place it accordingly. Select both text layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as Blueberry Delight. Again select Type tool. Left-click to insert text. Go to Properties. Copy this font style. Copy this overall text settings. Type today's best deal text here. Place the text accordingly in left top corner. Hold Alt key, left click on text and drag to make a text copy. Remove unwanted text. Select the text. Go to Properties. Font style will remain same. Change text size to 10 points and tracking to 20. Leftover settings will remain same. Type Japanese style 2025 text here. Press Ctrl+T and from top change text angle to 90 degree. Place it accordingly as shown. Align the text properly as shown. From File, place Japanese font text image. Resize and place it accordingly. Then select Type tool. Left-click to insert. Go to Properties. Copy this font style. Copy this overall text settings. Type "Get the promo today" text here. Place the text accordingly in right bottom corner. Hold Alt key and scroll up to zoom in. Select Rectangle tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. Add radius as well. From Properties, keep fill color to black. And stroke to none. Place the rectangle layer below text layer. Place the rectangle shape behind today text accordingly as shown. Align text and rectangle layer accordingly. Select rectangle and text layer using Shift key, right-click and convert to Smart Object. Then from File, place Scan Code image. Place it beside the text as shown. Press Ctrl+0 to fit to canvas. Select Rectangle tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. Add radius as well. From Properties, fill color as per the hex code. And keep stroke to none. Place rectangle shape accordingly. Then select Ellipse tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. From Properties, change fill to white. And keep stroke to none. Place the ellipse shape accordingly. Select both the shapes and convert to Smart Object. Name it as Shapes. Then select Type tool. Left-click to insert. From Properties, copy font style. Copy this overall text settings. Type food delivery text here. Place it accordingly. Hold Alt key, left-click on text and drag to make a copy. From Properties, change font style. Change tracking to 25. Paragraph to center text. Type number here. Change text color to black. Copy this hex code. Place the number inside ellipse shape. Again, select Type tool. Left-click and drag to make selection. From Properties, change font style. Change text size to 6 points. Change color to white. Tracking to 0. Paragraph to left align. Paste the text. Place it accordingly. Make a copy of text. From Properties, change font style. Change text size to 9 points. Leftover settings will remain same. Type number here. Place it accordingly in left bottom corner. Select all layers related to delivery info using Shift key and group them. Name it as Food Delivery 01. Press Ctrl+0 to fit to canvas. Following the same process, create Food Delivery 2 option. Then from File, place price tag image. Place it accordingly. Again from File, place logo image. Place it on right top corner. Then from View, select Guides, then Clear Guides. Select top layer. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E key to create merged layer. Name it as Final. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.